Hey, have a seat. So you got some questions. Let me know, how can I help? What can I answer for you? That's a great question. In fact, it's an important question because it took me years to learn how to do that. I was so caught up with me. It's like all about me. And then I learned from Brian Tracy, you go from here I am to there you are. And that matters. So if you want to connect more deeply with your audience, one of the keys is connecting more deeply with yourself. When I first started working with Mark Brown, he asked me this great question. And he said, choose a child in your life. And he said, if you were going to die tomorrow, what one lesson that you learned from your life would you want to pass on to that child? Wow, that really made me think. And he said, Darren, don't just answer it now. Just think about it for a few days. And what Mark was causing me to do was go deeper inside me to see what matters more to me. And then the second way to do that is connecting with yourself right before you go to the stage. When we walk up there, we're worried about the microphone and the audience and the lights and all this. We need to focus on the intention for the audience and almost recommit to that just before I go up. So I asked myself, what's my intention for this audience this day? And am I present? Am I right here, right now? So connecting with you helps you connect with them. Does that help?